Hi guys, so we are going to make these yummy starters today in 3 ways. So for the covering, we will require 2 cups of maida, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Please note this is baking powder, not baking soda. 4 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil, but please don't use sarson ka tel or any fragrant oil. Now mix it well till it looks like this. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt in this and 1/4 cup of cold water. Please note it should be cold. Knead it well. Add 1/4 more cup of water. Knead it for at least 5 minutes. Now cover it with a wet cloth or a damp cloth. Now let's start making the first filling. So I've added 1 tablespoon of oil, to which I'm adding 1 chopped onion. Now I'm going to saute this for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now after a minute or so, add 1 chopped capsicum. Saute this for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm adding my other vegetables. You can add any vegetable which you like. I'm adding carrot and broccoli. So I'm going to saute this till everything becomes really soft. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of pizza pasta sauce in this and 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. This is your normal tomato sauce. Now I'm adding my pizza seasoning. You can add the Domino's one. Some salt according to your taste, and black pepper. Now for the color, I've added 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now let's start making the second filling. So I've added 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm adding 100 grams of mushroom to this and 1 medium-sized spring onion. You need to saute this till everything becomes light brown in color. This will require at least 2 to 3 minutes. I've added 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to this. Now again add 1/4 teaspoon of pizza seasoning and some salt and pepper according to your taste. Saute this for some time till it becomes light brown. Now keep it on side for some time to cool. Now for the third filling, I'm using 100 grams of paneer. To that I've added red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala. All the measurements are given in the description box. Chaat masala, jeera powder, kasuri methi. I'm going to mix it using my hand so that my paneer doesn't break. Now I'm adding some greens to this. I've added coriander leaves and spring onion greens. This is optional. Now add some salt according to your taste. Again mix it. Now I'm going to add some tomato ketchup to this. This is 1 teaspoon, and then I'm going to add some pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. Again mix it well. So all my 3 fillings are ready now. So once everything has cooled down, I'm going to add some cheese to my fillings. Please make sure you are adding the cheese once they have cooled down. That's the most important thing. So I've added processed cheese in my paneer. I've added mozzarella cheese in my mushroom filling. And I'm adding processed cheese in my vegetable filling. So I've added around 2 tablespoons of cheese in all my fillings. Now I'm going to roll my dough. Roll it as thin as possible because it stretches back. Now cut it into equal halves. I've tried to cut 2 squares. Now I'm pressing the corners because it is stretching back. Again I'm rolling it. and I will cut it into 2 halves. Now apply some water on the edges of one part so that it sticks well with the second part. Put 1 teaspoon of filling. It should be in the center only. Now stretch and then paste. Keep on stretching and keep on pasting from all the sides. It should be pasted really well. And if you feel your bottom layer is little bigger than your upper layer, you can always cut it. So now with the help of a fork, I'm going to make some pattern, and also it helps in sticking. Now it's ready. Now I'm going to fry this in medium hot oil till it becomes golden brown. Now sprinkle some spring onions on this and it's ready. See how my mushroom filling looks like? Yummy, cheesy. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, please comment, please subscribe to my channel.